Hey everybody, it's Mr. Matt here. We're making grilled watermelon salad today. Here's what you need. 1 watermelon, some feta, some mint, shallot, lime, garlic, yogurt. Turn on your pan, make it real hot. Now we're gonna disassemble this guy. First up, we're gonna cut him in half at the equator, like so. I hope you all appreciate my fine knife skills. All right. Cut that half in half, like so. Then start cutting into triangle steaks, like so. Now we're probably only going to use half this watermelon for a salad for 3 or 4 people. So we cut up our steaks, we're going to put them off to the side and get them ready to go on the grill, which will be heating up as we do this. So we're going to use half of this watermelon. This is about a 3-pound watermelon. It's not very big. Picked seedless too, so I don't want those seeds to burn. Now on our hot pan, we're going to put these watermelon steaks. Put them down, let them grill. It's going to take a little while. It's going to start to smell really, really good and sweet. Now what the grilling is going to do is caramelize that sugar inside the watermelon. That's going to make that salad delicious. Turn them over. You start to get a little bit of char on them. That's what we're looking for. Don't be afraid to crowd them a little bit, too. Next up, we're going to make our little dressing. It's real simple. First, we're going to have this lime at the equator and take half of this lime's juice, put it in a bowl. Next up, garlic. Take 1 clove. There you go. Smashy, smashy. And chop, 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 chop. We're going to take that and add it in. Now you can adjust how much garlic you want based on how much you prefer. I like garlicky stuff, but you may not like as much as me, so use half a clove if that's up to you. Next up, a shallot. Chop up finely about a quarter or a half of a shallot, depending on the size. Add that to your yogurt. Chop it up nice and fine. There you go. Then we're going to take, I don't know, about a cup of yogurt. I just eyeballed it. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. Stir that up nice. Check and see the consistency. I decided to add the other half of that lime, but that's up to you. There you go. Let's check on our watermelon. It's looking good. The last of it is ready to come off. Just giving them one final turn. Those nice grill marks. Look at that. Looks like salmon or something. I don't know. Salmon? Maybe a steak? It's not. It's watermelon. So we're going to take the rind, get rid of that, and give these guys a nice little chop. Like so. Throw them in your bowl. Now this being watermelon, once you start chopping this up, it's going to start leaving off a lot of that juice. What I just did was drain off some of it, but that's up to you. Like I said, it's quite a bit of watermelon, a whole half of one. To finish off your watermelon, you're going to want to use about a half cup of feta. pull it right out of that brine and start breaking that up. There we go. We're going to want to crumble that cheese up on the watermelon, like so. Then get your fresh mint. There you go. Get a healthy amount and start tearing it up, the little leaves, sprinkle it on the salad. Mix that up nice. Pinch or two of pepper. And some salt. It's ready to serve. Don't forget your dressing. Serve the salad with the dressing on the side. This is a great addition for a summertime picnic, and kids seem to love it too. Enjoy, everybody. Have an awesome day.